Hi there. Welcome to Docentes Digitales TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're focusing on something every English learner needs: simple phrases for daily use. If you've ever felt unsure about what to say in English during everyday situations, this video is for you. The good news is, you don't need to learn hundreds of words to start speaking confidently. Sometimes, all you need are a few powerful, simple phrases that you can use every day. Think about this. How often do you greet someone, ask for help, or order something? These moments happen all the time. And with just a few simple phrases, you'll know exactly what to say in any situation. For example, if someone asks, "How are you?" you don't have to just say, "I'm fine." You can say, "I'm doing great. Thanks for asking," or "Pretty good, how about you?" These responses sound much more natural and friendly. Another useful phrase is, "Can I get?" You can use it in so many situations. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get the bill, please? Can I get some help with this? It's one simple phrase, but it works everywhere. And here's a powerful one. I'm looking for. You can use it while shopping, traveling, or asking for directions. For example, I'm looking for a new pair of shoes, or I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. Easy, clear, and super useful. Now, here's how you can master these simple phrases. First, practice out loud. Repeating phrases aloud helps you remember them better. Try saying them as if you're in a real conversation. It's even better if you record yourself and listen back to see how you sound. Second, practice real-life scenarios. Imagine you're in a store, a restaurant, or a hotel. Think of the questions you would hear and how you would answer them. The more you practice, the more prepared you'll be when it happens in real life. Finally, use them every day. Don't wait for the perfect moment to practice your English. Use these simple phrases at work, at home, or even when talking to yourself. Repetition is key to building confidence. If you found this video helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitales TV for more practical, everyday English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to learn simple, effective phrases that will help you sound more natural and confident in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.